Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. Every morning I choose to start my day with good habits. I wake up with a thankful heart because God gives me a new day. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower because I want to feel clean and fresh. After that, I drink a glass of water to help my body stay healthy. I know that taking care of myself is important. Next, I pray to God. I thank Him for His love, His protection, and His guidance. I ask Him to give me wisdom, peace, and strength for the day. Prayer helps me feel calm and confident. Then I wear clothes that I like. When I dress well, I feel happy and ready for my daily activities. Looking neat gives me more confidence. After my morning routine, I make a plan for my day. I work on my projects with joy and hope. I know that every small step can bring me closer to my dreams. I do not give up when I have problems because I trust God. Every day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and become a better person. I believe that with faith, discipline, and hard work, I can reach the desires of my heart and enjoy a meaningful life. Vocabulary. Word. Thankful. Healthy. Wisdom. Guidance. Confidence. Discipline. Dreams. Intermediate English. A successful day begins with a healthy morning routine. I believe that feeling well is the first step toward achieving my goals. Every morning I wake up with gratitude because God has given me another chance to live, learn, and grow. I brush my teeth, take a refreshing shower, and drink a glass of water before eating breakfast. These simple habits help me feel energized and prepared for the day. One of the most important parts of my morning is prayer. I spend a few quiet minutes talking to God, thanking Him for His blessings and asking for wisdom, courage, and peace. My faith reminds me that I am never alone, even when I face difficult situations. I also choose clothes that make me feel comfortable and confident. Looking presentable improves my mood and motivates me to work harder. After getting ready, I organize my schedule and focus on my priorities. Every project I complete brings me one step closer to my dreams. I understand that success requires patience, consistency, and determination. Instead of worrying about the future, I do my best today and trust God with the results. A positive attitude, daily discipline, and strong faith allow me to enjoy life while pursuing the deepest desires of my heart. Vocabulary. Gratitude. Refreshing. Blessings. Courage. Priorities. Determination. Consistency. Advanced English. Beginning each day with intentional habits creates a strong foundation for both personal well-being and long-term success. Every morning I embrace a routine that nourishes my body, mind, and spirit. After brushing my teeth, taking a relaxing shower, and drinking plenty of water, I feel physically refreshed and mentally prepared to face new opportunities. Prayer is the center of my morning. It strengthens my relationship with God and reminds me that true peace comes from trusting His guidance rather than relying only on my own understanding. During these quiet moments, I express gratitude for His endless love and seek wisdom to make thoughtful decisions throughout the day. Choosing clothes that reflect my personality also contributes to my confidence. When I feel comfortable with my appearance, I naturally develop a positive attitude that influences my actions and interactions with others. With renewed energy, I dedicate myself to meaningful projects that align with the desires God has placed in my heart. I understand that significant achievements are built through perseverance, self-discipline, and unwavering faith. Challenges become valuable lessons instead of obstacles, allowing me to grow stronger each day. By maintaining healthy habits, nurturing my spiritual life, and pursuing my dreams with purpose, I create a balanced life filled with hope, joy, resilience, and lasting fulfillment. Vocabulary. Foundation. Nourishi. Guidance. Perseverance. Unwavering. Resilience, fulfillment. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.